Hi guys, so I will be using this Atom IDE. So basically you can use any of the text editor. So I have a plugin installed over here, and you can see that I have this example.md preview at the right side of my screen. So if you guys are using Atom, so just click on this file, go to the settings, and you will see this packages option here, and when you type markdown here, so it is installed by default on my system. So if it is not installed on your system, you can just simply go ahead and install it. So now I'll be using this package or plugin to keep seeing the preview of the file and whatever I am writing. So I'll just start here. So first thing to note is that we can simply use HTML style comments in MD. So we'll just use this syntax, and we'll just can simply use it. So basically you can go ahead and type out HTML in the MD file and it will work pretty well, but we are learning MD format right now, so we'll focus on that. So let us see how we can actually write headings. They are the most important part. So unlike HTML, we just instead of using tags, we just use hashtags. So we'll just put a single hash here to define our largest heading. So we'll call it heading 1, and then we'll just use 2 hashtags, heading 2, and just keep going in this way. Heading 3, heading 4, and heading 5, and then this is the last one, heading 6. And if we'll just try adding one more hashtag, so this will not work, and you can see here in the preview that this is not working. And one more thing that can go wrong is if you just forget to insert a space after this hashtag, and this is also gonna fail. So just remember to add a space after using this hash over here.